So in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing. And that unboxing is going to be this GoPro Hero 7 Black. So let's go ahead and get started. So in front of us, we have the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Now, I actually got this on sale. It was, I believe it was, regular price was $329.99, and I got it for $229.99, so it was $100 off. So let's go right ahead and take a look and see what we got here. So of course, this is the front of it. Here's the side. So we do have a 12 megapixel camera. So we have the capability of 4K 60, and we also have a 1080p, also with 240. The depth that we can go right ahead and go max is 33 feet. It is voice activated, touch screen, ×8 slow-mo, GPS, HDR, hyper smooth, and live streaming. In the back, of course, we have just download the Apple Store app as well as get on Google Play. And right here we just have some illustrations on what's in the box. So nonetheless, let's go right ahead and open this puppy up. Alright, so to open it up, basically we have this little opening here that we could go right ahead and peel this off. There we go. And this slides off. Oh, let's see. Does it? Yes, it does. If you do it right. Alright, so there we go. So this is the box. Let's see. I think I'm going to have to open this. So let's see. So it looks like we can actually just basically get this out. So it looks like we just open, go up here and press this in, and maybe, yeah, there it is, and it just slides out. So here's the GoPro. And by the way, this is my very first GoPro, so I'm eager in anticipation to see what I can do with this. So, alright, I'm just going to put this to the side. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so what we have in box, let's go ahead and see what we have. Plus, damage replacement, cloud backup, so subscription, okay, so subscription card. Need help? Not right now, maybe later on. We have some stickers, GoPro stickers. That's pretty cool. What is this? Important product safety instructions. I always say I'm going to read it, but I never do. So, all right, that's that. Let's see what's inside. Okay. All right, so what we have inside, we have a USB-C to USB 3.0. I'm thinking it's a 3.0. Let's see, we have these, basically, it looks like they're like helmet mounts. So one of them is curved, one of them is flat. That's pretty cool. And last thing, we have a battery. So that's basically everything that's in this box. Now, let's move on to the main dish. Let's take a look at this GoPro. I mean, for being my very first GoPro, I am pretty amazed. I didn't think it was going to be basically this small. Let's see. Let me take this out. Oh, wait. Am I doing this right? Yeah. All right. Perfect. So that goes like that. I guess this. What happens here? This goes this way, and what in the world? I don't know if I'm doing this right. Yeah, I am. I'm just being a chicken. All right, so there we go. So here it is. Here's the top of it. It looks like you can actually take or start video as well as take pictures with this. We have, it looks like it's power, and we can change the modes here. I'm not sure exactly if this and this is the mic. Probably. It looks good. touch screen right here. I'll go ahead and we'll do the peel. Let's see if I can do this right. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. There we go. I got it. I lost it. Okay, there we go. All right. Peel. There we go. Looks nice. All right. So I personally thought that there was going to be some sort of tripod adapter underneath this GoPro, but I was wrong. So let's see what we have down here. So here it looks like we have the battery enclosure as well as a slot for the micro SD. Nice. I'll go right ahead and insert this later. What else? What do we have here? I'm not sure. I think this is like a speaker, a little small speaker here. So let's see. What is this? What do you do? What do you do? Open up. Let's see, am I doing this? Yeah. All right. Be afraid, Omar. Don't be afraid. All right. So here it looks like we have a little HDMI adapter, or I'm sorry, it's not an adapter. It is a plug, so it's one of the little, I don't know exactly if it's a mini HDMI. I really can't recall what it is. Let's see if I can focus. And we have basically the charge port here, which would be the Type-C one. Cool. Well, not bad. Let's take a look at the case. Not bad. I mean, it's not aluminum or anything like that. It's hard plastic. So this looks like it's rubber for the power on and the mode. Of course, the base is plastic as well. Let's see if I can see what this is. So not bad. Plastic basically. Not. Oh, and you know what? Actually, now that I'm looking at this, so it looks like there's a safety mechanism here. So it's a remove. So it looks like this is basically we don't need this anymore. So off you go. All right. So I guess we can basically go forward, back. Not bad. Let's see how to take. Oh, just slides off. Simple. Not bad. Well, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be real fun. I'm going to be having fun with this GoPro. So the reason I actually bought this GoPro is because I want to go right ahead and, you know, do a little bit more of vlogging, as well as, you know, sometimes when I ride, I actually want to go right ahead and have some sort of, a point of my perspective when I'm riding. So I'm going to go right ahead and basically, I'm not exactly sure if I want to mount this in my helmet or if I just want to go right ahead and, you know, mount it to the motorcycle. Who knows? But I'll try to figure something out. But overall, yeah, let's see what happens with this GoPro, and let's see what videos I go right ahead and produce. Alrighty, everybody. Well, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and like always, we'll catch you on the next one. Alright, so I'm just gonna go right ahead and insert the battery. So it looks like it's gonna go this way like this. See if I'm right. It does go like that. So there we go, flush. And I do have a 64 gig micro SD. So let's go ahead and insert. I'm not sure if it goes this way, but let's try it out. Yep, there it is. Cool.